This is a tool set. Got it at a Tractor Supply, honestly. 138 bucks. It's got 324 tool pieces. Water resistant case, rolls around. Pretty awesome. I do a lot of repairs on people's stuff. And this has 3/8, ½ inch, and a 1/4 inch drive sets. So that's what I'm going to be using to work on getting that leveling kit out. I'll let you know how it is. So we'll open it. You don't need the right tool, you just need a tool. Instead of looking around for 2 minutes, we'll just open it. Is that a lock? Haven't even opened it yet, so you're looking at it with me. This is your standard. You got 1/4 inch to 3/4. A little 1/4 inch screwdriver that you fit little 1/4 inch sockets on. Should be metric. So metric goes from an 8 all the way to a 19. Oh, and you got every size in between. It's always nice. A lot of times 18s aren't there. That drives me insane. And these Dodges have a lot of 18s on them, especially with the rough country lift. 17s, 18s, 21s. Allen keys. Allen keys. Oh, you got some flats. Mini combination wrenches. 5/32 all the way to 7/16. You got 4mm all the way to 11mm metric mini combination wrench set. This is pretty badass, actually. Got all the torques. Well, not all the torques. You got. Oh, you do have. Got all the torques. You got your Allens. Got an adapter. You got all your Phillips, flathead. Even got your SAR ones. And then a couple little 1/4 inch drive impacts. Then you got your metric Allen wrenches. Pick you up on that. It's a little screwdriver. Oh, I won't open it for that. You can look at them. This is your 1/4 inch set. You got deep end, swivel. It's nice. Some foam. Hell yeah. 3/8 drive. Deep. Got some more torques and heck and Allens. Got a swivel. And then, hell yeah, you even got a swivel on your 1/2 inch. Some extensions, big extension ratchet. Like I said, so I'm gonna be using it, working on this. Tell you I'm pretty stoked on this kit. It'll be perfect for helping people out outside of the house. I can mess this up and then put it all back in place. Everything's labeled. It's perfect. 138 bucks, Tractor Supply. So you used about every tool from that kit is all used. Had everything that I needed. The Job Smart from Tractor Supply. Here's the truck. Leveling kit's out, sitting the right height, looks great.